Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make a fantastic thumbnail using GIMP. You know GIMP, this is GIMP. No, I am inside the GIMP GNU image manipulation program. GIMP is the fantastic software. It's the best alternative of Photoshop. Using, Photoshop is very costly. If you want to make a YouTube thumbnail like Photoshop, it's possible only in GIMP, which is the totally free and open source software. In the last tutorial, we showed you how to download and update the software. Now we are in the new software here. If you want to make any YouTube thumbnail, first you have to come here. You see here file here in here. You see new shortcut is Control plus N. Remember, shortcut is Control%. We will just click here. Now see, we have this icon has appeared here. Here we have to take a size, YouTube size. This is the normal size 920 by 1080, which is HD size, high definition. And if you want a YouTube thumbnail, you have to come here. You see, we have to search because you see various type of thumbnails here. All in you can make various type of thumbnail, which it 920 1080p. You see 4K thumbnail you can make here. Digital cinema initiative 4K thumbnail. But we need YouTube thumbnail. We will come here and we will search. You see here. This is a 1220 by 720. This is a SD 720p. This is our YouTube thumbnail size. Remember, we will click here. This, you see my cursor here. Now you see we have appeared here. If you want to make advanced, you can click here for advanced. From here you can take foreground or background. But you can take white, transparency, pattern, but we will take only here the default background we will take. Remember this. Today we will normally show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. In the next tutorial we will learn all the tool step by step. Today just now we will just this will remain on default background. RGB color we will check RGB. You can gray scale. No, we will check RGB is perfect for me. Here gamma perpetual it will remain all in default. We don't touch there. Okay, everything is reset and we will click OK. You see, now our YouTube thumbnail has appeared. But if you want to make this is a white, but we can change the color here. You see here I want to take any color. You can from here you can excise, you can take a red. You see, if you want to red here, you can from here you can change the color. This color you can take, but I use if you take this color and shift plus B is a bucket. It's a bucket. Remember, shift plus B. We click once. You see it's okay. Now we'll click OK and shift plus B. Now you see, now we have this fantastic color, this purple color. But for YouTube thumbnail, I usually use this color. This is OK. I will OK and shift plus B shortcut. Remember, on your keyboard, shift plus B, click here, and you will just in this way this color has appeared here. Otherwise you can here if you come here, this edit, copy, paste, you can learn the shortcut from here. Fill with background, Control plus. This shortcut are very important. We will cover in the next class, which will be the class for our beginners. You can join our class. We will join. All the tools are very important in GIMP. This tool we will cover one by one. Layers, what is layer, color, hue, chroma, hue, saturation, exposure. All these colors, these settings, these tools are used for editing photos. Like in Photoshop, what you will do, all the professional tasks you can perform inside the GIMP. Actually, this tool is very important. This tool. In every tool you see rectangle, this ellipse, you have R, you have to shortcut, free select. You can these we will use for editing photo. This is a pen tool. It's very important. You see bucket, which we used shift plus B, pencil, gradient G. This is a shortcut default. Paint brush P, eraser shift plus E if you want to erase anything. Air brush A for shortcut. Ink if you want to use ink. This all we will use in our when we will start editing in detail. How to edit for T is for text. You see, path is B. So we have taken this now. Just today I want to normally make a YouTube thumbnail for our tutorial class. Here we have no color. No, if you want to drag anything, I will just make it minimize here because I will take some photo. You can minimize here like this on because this is our 4K monitor. It's a very big 33-inch Dell. But here this space is enough for me. We come here and I want to take some materials for which we will use for our thumbnail. We will come here F drive. We have here software media. This is our folder. Here I want to take some here photos. I will come here and you can type here. You see this our here we have DaVinci Resolve, because we have nowadays tutorial about DaVinci Resolve, and this is a background actually color. This is on the top of background we have taken DaVinci Resolve. Shift plus we will use Shift plus S to resize. You see we have appeared a scale. You can from here a scale. When you this is you see when you will unclick here, it will be like you can scale one side from here. No? You see one side like this. But I want to resize. Actually we will click here, it will be joined, this link will be joined, reset. Now it's a reset. I want to readjust. We can like make a smaller here. We will put here I want to put this, and this will be in this side. Now once it is okay, you can scale, it will be scaled. Now we come here on the background again, and now I want to take one more. For this time I want to take a Kdenlive logo. You know Kdenlive is the best video editing software in open source, and DaVinci Resolve is a professional plus free you can use. Now we have UC Kdenlive logo here, and we will take a logo here, because I have comparison video for Kdenlive. We will make this logo here. We can resize the same way. We will put here, you see, but you see now scale our color is very similar here, so I want to change the background color, because the logo of Kdenlive is the same, like it's not visible here clearly. We come here, you see here from, we just click here. Now from here I can take other color. We can take like this color. Yes, this color will try. Shift plus B, we will use bucket to fill. It's okay. You see now the Kdenlive is visible. If we are not satisfied, we can try this more this color. You see here our current color. This is the old color. We will learn all about this. This software is a very advanced like Photoshop. Shift plus B again we will click, and we have now this color. You see we can change any time this background color. Now once it is okay, I want to take other I have this is actually called materials which we will use. We want to take this verses, because I want to comparison Kdenlive and this DaVinci Resolve adjustment layer. Adjustment layer is adjustment clip. Now you see we have this Shift plus always remember Shift plus S, you have to scale. So I want to readjust here. We click here, readjust like in this way. We will take here and we will put here, because I want to comparison between these two fantastic software, and I have tutorial about the DaVinci Resolve and Kdenlive, because I know this software very well. And before this software I use other software, very famous Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, but that was not very trust and very costly software. I started use Premiere Pro, and I started use this DaVinci Resolve and Kdenlive. These two I used for our work, because I like these two software very well. Once I scale, it's okay now. See, it's almost ready. We come here to background. I want to take a right text. For text you can just click T on your keyboard. Otherwise from here you come here, you see here you can text. This is text, you will type. I use shortcut T because I remember very well. And we will come here, you see here I will just type here adjustment layer, because I have color. Adjustment layer and adjustment clip is the same thing. We have to change the, you see here we have same color, so we have to change the color of the letters, text. I will take white, is always acceptable, it is universal. And if you want to change the font, you can come here and you can take several fonts here. You see here, from here you can change any font, you can take which you want. It will remain on default, because yesterday I used for our tutorial basement, and I can take other color. So like can take from here other Times Roman, David. There are various type of lots of you can try, and then you will understand. And for our work we can take like these cosmetics, and we will use white. Okay, and from here if I'm not satisfied with this, we can change another. Okay, this basement is okay for me. I will just click and I will change the color here. I will take it from here. You can change white. Okay. Now I write adjustment, capital adjustment. You see I have written adjustment clip. Now I will select like this. You see here, and we can just here write the number 120. I want to take bigger. You see, once it's not too much big, you can actually from here minimize. You see two cursor here, arrow here. We will click down arrow here. You see down arrow, And from here, this is, you see, this handle, this is the box for our text. We can like adjust like this, you see. If you click here, it will come here. From here you can drag, it will become here, you see. In this way you can adjust the clip. You can position from here. It's not like canvas. Its theory is very different. Once you understand, it's more logical for putting text. This, you see, if you want to move from here, I will move just in this way. This is actually handle. From here there are 4 handles you can control. All you can size here, resize here, you can make it will come here, but we will put this to here. From here any size you can take. If you want to put it down, we'll just put it down here. So if it's not okay, we can drag the handle and we can try in this way. I want to put here just to okay. Now actually we are satisfied with the color here. Now we can write the here also text, Kdenlive Live adjustment clip, Kdenlive Live versus DaVinci Resolve versus Kdenlive Live. We can type here. If we can other text, we have to take some, for example, yellow I take from here. You see, you can change from here more. If you can want to take this, we can take this size. We take yellow. In this way, we will try which type of font. Today we are making a simple about for YouTube this thumbnail. I'm showing you. So we have adjustment clip, and here I will write. We will come on the background, and we will type T here, and here DaVinci, and from here we will again change the font here, and here we come here, and you can later change font several times. You can change font and color from here. Yeah, I will type DaVinci. Resolve, DaVinci Resolve. Can make it bigger. From here we can make bigger. We can change the position. From here we'll just drag like this handle to downside, because we have enough place. We will use that place for here. And we will, if you take other for verses, we have to verses. This is here we don't need to write, but we will write here Kdenlive Live, so people could understand. And we don't use too much text in YouTube thumbnail. That will be not professional. So again we will type text here for this. Now we'll type. We'll take from here. We'll change. We have color from UC. I will take some little bit other color, like for Kdenlive Live we will take this color. Okay, and we will type Kdenlive Live. So that we can differentiate to video editing software. You see, from here you can change. Come here and we will drag here. Be careful. We can make like this. You see, when you take handle, if you want to put here, you will just drag here, and you can make this box. Once you understand, it will be very. You can from here you can adjust. You see, from here you can take on left, you can right. Once you have to try yourself. GIMP is not very difficult, but you have to understand the concept, tools there. No, we just click here, and we can just click here, and we can drag here. Take this handle and we will drag here. You see, there are also Shift+S you can use. So we have, you see, Kdenlive Live here. We have made this. Once you come background, this is our Kdenlive Live text. This is DaVinci text. You can now we will adjust here. First, once we come here, DaVinci Resolve. I want to Shift+S because I want to scale. I want to make bigger. I like this. I want to make more bigger. We will put here. You see, it's more bigger. We'll put here with scale. Now we'll come to Kdenlive Live. Here you see, this is all the layers actually. Here we come to Kdenlive Live, DaVinci adjustment, here logo, Kdenlive Live. This is a Shift+S. We will control, and we will make bigger here. You see, like this, bigger, and we will put here. And okay, we come to return to background over here, and it's okay. But now we will come to Kdenlive Live. We want to Shift+S. Now you can actually resize, make bigger like this. You see, change anywhere you can put shift. Once it's okay, now you can put anywhere. Here I will put Kdenlive Live. Here we can make more bigger. Scale. Now we will use scale. Now we come to DaVinci Resolve. Here come to the layer. You have to come to layer, then Shift+S. You have to click for scale. You see, now we can readjust actually here. You can drag from here. Here you see, we can put here. In this way, our 6795, so 65 width and height. We can same width and height we will use here for Kdenlive. 695, it's okay. 695 we can make a smaller. 691 we can come to Kdenlive, and first we scale here, And if you want to return here, you want to see DaVinci Resolve text, you can shift plus S. Again, you see our scale is 692. We have done 77. We come to Kdenlive, shift plus S. You see, if you can make smaller from here. You see, otherwise from here you can do same thing. It's doing same. I'm not satisfied. I want to make it smaller here. You see. Okay. No, it's okay, and we can make here. Okay, and we come again to DaVinci Resolve and shift plus S. Remember, and we will put here. In this way, shift plus S, this is move tool. We will talk in the next class how we will use move tool and everything. You see, no scale. We click scale. It is scale. You see our simple, very attractive thumbnail is has been prepared by this GIMP, using GIMP, which you perform in Photoshop. The same thing I have done here. You see, very attractive YouTube thumbnail. We have adjustment clip class, dear friend. You can join our class about the Kdenlive tutorial, DaVinci Resolve tutorial if you want to be a advanced video editor or learn video edit video for your project, for your clip, for your family, or for your professional purpose. You can learn about about the software. You can learn on our site. Once the thumbnail is prepared here, you have to come here. You see file here. Here you see shortcut is shift plus control plus E. We will just click here. And I have to take assign the path where actually I want to upload this thumbnail. We will come here, and here I have a folder YouTube thumbnail. I will click here and export. Once it's export, you see, no, it's very fast. It has exported to our file. Now I will come here where I have this file, and I will come to YouTube thumbnail, and you see I have several thumbnail. All thumbnails I use I actually make using the GIMP. I love too much. Before this I use Canvas, but here you can be more creative. You see how the beautiful very effective thumbnail I have made using GIMP in the GIMP. It's actually this way. You try, dear friend, and write me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe, dear friend. Your one subscriptions motivates me a lot to make a creative video for you. If you want that, I could continue on YouTube for making a creative video for you, creative content. So you have to just subscribe, otherwise I can't continue on YouTube, dear friend, because I have also some other professional works for client which I do. But for you people, I want to together we want to share our ideas, how we can develop and be creative. You can write suggestions, suggest me to improve myself. We can improve together, dear friend. Be in touch if you want to know about software and Photoshop, GIMP, video editing software here. So in today's lesson, we learned how we can make a simple YouTube thumbnail using this very best open source free software, GIMP, GNU image manipulation program, which is the best and real alternative of Photoshop, dear friend. And so you can do it. I will upload this video and this thumbnail on YouTube for our class. You see here I have YouTube channels. You can join here. This is our YouTube channels. I just click here, and you see here I will upload this adjustment clip class about this and this GIMP class here. You can learn about various type of home. You come here, and we have various type of tutorial here. You see in DaVinci Resolve tutorial here, and you come here Kdenlive tutorial here. You can come, and our playlist is here, and from here you can see and join the class, dear friend. And in today's we have finished this class. Take care, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Bye.